me get a little bit more force here. Let everything go. Oh, it already went. Oh! Oh! Shit. Oh my God.
Oh, it moved very well.
I've been seeing Matt for probably about a year, maybe a year and a half. And he just likes coming in, getting a little bit of scraping, soft tissue work, and adjusting his full spine and especially his feet. He's got some really low arches and really pronated feet, just genetically. So just kind of seems like he has some susceptibility to having some more foot pain than a lot of people. So he does well with scraping the calves a bit, adjusting the ankles, and then he's got kind of this recurrent upper rib, lower neck thing going on, and he does really well when we just get some movement in there once a month or so. How you doing today?
Doing good. Rib keeps popping out though.
Okay.
That same one.
Yeah, we're at that upper
rib one, shoulder blade, and then right here in this area again keeps tightening back up.
Okay.
I think it's because of the desk work.
Yeah.
So, and then the feet have been bugging me because I switched shoes for work for winter.
Okay.
So my calves are locking up.
Both calves?
Yeah.
All right.
So it's definitely the shoes. So.
And yeah, Matt's someone that really loves the scraping and seems to respond really well to it. You're a big fan of Mondragon?
Mondragon.
Right.
And her brother McLaughlin. So that whole family.
She does all the close-ups and all that stuff, right?
Yeah.
Probably use this on the calves. It seems to help you quite a bit.
Okay,
right?
Cool. Yeah, works for me.
And then just slamming joints.
Yes.
Getting things moving. How are the kids doing?
Kids are good.
Good.
Driving us nuts. What else is new?
How's that one there?
That's just tight.
Okay. Tighter here or tighter there?
First one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Up in that upper rib area?
Yeah, it makes me want to go like this.
Okay. Let's go face down.
Cool. Oh, and I'm going to physical therapy here soon for my forearms.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's going on with those?
Numbness while I sleep.
Oh.
They think I'm pinching the humerus nerve. So
Humerus nerve.
the nerve in your elbow that if you hit it, it hurts.
Your ulnar nerve?
Yes, that one.
Got it.
The funny bone.
The funny bone. They think it's compressed?
Yeah.
On both sides?
They think while I'm sleeping, I'm compressing it. So.
All right. All right, let's see. Man, these are some beefy pants.
Yeah.
These things would never rip. So tell me what you're feeling back there. Back here, just a lot of tightness all the way down the Achilles.
Tightness, yep. All the way like a straight line. Yep.
This whole piece.
Yep.
Okay. Any pain down here all the way to the heel?
Nope.
Just kind of mid portion. Okay. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna have you just point the toe first.
Okay.
Yep. I'm gonna go right there. How you doing? All good?
Yep.
Just imagine I'm Mondragon. Is that most sensitive right here?
It's going to the nerve,
Is that?
so it's tingling a little bit.
Got this perfect little gap in this tool just to
Hold it.
nicely caress your Achilles.
Oh, perfect.
Or nicely crush it, I should say. Okay. One little spot right there. How's this side feeling?
Not as bad as that left side.
Yeah,
Oh, there's a nerve.
right there.
Yeah.
Literally right there you're feeling?
Yeah. Went right into my pinky toe.
Are you in boots?
So they're flexible, electrical, waterproof boots.
Got it. They just don't allow your foot to move very much, right?
No.
Yeah. But you gotta be in them, I'd imagine.
Especially for the winter time right now, because of all the water everywhere. Normally I just wear tennis shoes.
How much have you been working lately?
Not too bad recently. We started to play catch up now, so we're hitting our stride.
Yeah. You ready for this one? Yeah. This is usually how we get it. Contact the first and second rib here. And then I'm gonna turn your head away. Is that okay on your chin?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me get a little bit more force here. Let everything go. Okay. One more time. Here. Take a big breath. And out. Breath in. And out. Oh, it already went. Oh, there it was. That was all you, man.
Ooh.
I just rolled on you. Sometimes we get a lot of movement in here. Okay. Yeah. Oh, good?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that okay there on the ankle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh. Oh, shit.
That was a good one.
Oh my God. There's like one adjustment per week that surprises me, and that was it. Try and get that hip to open up a little more.
Ah, good luck.
Good luck. Take a breath, let it go. Yeah, good. Squeeze me a little bit. Good. I'm gonna roll you just a bit.
Oh,
Wow. My goodness.
Yep.
I'm gonna roll you. And out. Let the shoulders go. Good.
Crunchy.
Crunchy. Okay, so let me do the work. Keep going. Good. Got it. Now test it. Man.
Oh yeah, much better.
I'm just gonna put a little motion in here.
Mm.
Money.
Good. Yep, that felt good.
You're a fan of the strap pretty much, right?
Yeah, as long as I remember to not bite my tongue.
He has bit his tongue one time.
Totally my fault.
The only one that's done that so far.
I am the poster child of what not to do.
And it wasn't like the first time. It was
No,
like,
this was like the
20th
30th,
time.
yeah, 20 or 30th time.
Hey Matt, so remember, don't bite your tongue. Okay, is that okay in your ears there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Feeling like it's gonna move pretty well.
Oh, yes, it did. It moved very well.
All good?
Yeah, all that left side.
Nice.
That felt really good.
Got you scraped, got the ribs,
Yeah, that felt good.
C1, low
Yeah.
back.
That's good. Awesome.
Sweet.
Thanks, brother.
Appreciate it.